Last week, I shared my struggles, my stories. And to be honest, it's hard because I don't know kung anong sasabihin ng tao sa akin regarding sa akin, and magkakaroon ng speculations about me. And you know what? I did that because I feel like kailangan ko i-share yung struggles ko, yung stories ko, so that everyone na nakikinig, lalo na yung mga nakakaranas din ng mga ganitong challenges sa life, is somehow makapulot ng aral on what to do. I read books actually